funny. I can't look at the lens because obviously I'm driving, because I am on my way to meet Eric right now. We are meeting in Charlotte for the day. We're having dinner with our friends later here in Charlotte, so we just decided to spend the whole day here. I'm on my way to meet him at this kind of bougie mall. They have a lot of like luxury brands and whatnot. Not that I'm gonna shop there. I'm pretty much just going for Lush because bath bombs are life. And yeah, we might eat at Cheesecake Factory. My outfit is really uncomfortable, to be honest, so I'm probably gonna change clothes sometime throughout this vlog. But yeah, I'm really excited for today. We're gonna go look at our wedding venue. I've been there, but he hasn't seen it in person yet, so and then Korean barbecue for dinner. So I think it's gonna be a really fun day, and I'm really excited. I don't know why I'm so excited. Honestly, I seen him last week, like 7 days ago exactly. But like 7 days is a lot, okay? So yeah, like I am genuinely so freaking excited to see him. I'm in love. I'm sorry. It's cheesy. I'm gross. But it is what it is. This is the worst intro ever. Okay, so it's going to be a super fun day. Come along with us and let's go.
Your 20s are for spending hours and hours pretending we have plans and
I don't know why, but every time I come to this mall or like this neighborhood, I feel really fancy. So I just like drove past this like luxury car dealership, and there's like a big old G-Wagon sitting out front, and I'm just like, oh, a G-Wagon. But on the inside, I'm like, oh my god, it's a G-Wagon. Did you see that? Like, I really want a G-Wagon, and I'll never have one. I have issues. I'm sorry. Okay. He just said he parked at Macy's. There's no Macy's here. There's a Nordstrom. There's a Belk. There's no Macy's. What? Did he mean Belk? Seriously. There's not a Macy's here. Is there a Macy's here? Am I not seeing it? The elevator doesn't work. And I'm in these big booty heels. Man, where the heck am I going? I found him. Over there. I parked way over there. Huh? I'm parked way over there and came down some sketchy stairs.
I don't want to park.
I'm gonna make it look like we finished all of our food, but then it's all in the box. Oh, look at you, you look so cute. So we just left the mall. I did not vlog at all in the mall other than the Cheesecake Factory, because those cute black heels that I were wearing actually killed my foot, and I have a huge blister on it. I'm gonna insert a clip of my blister so that you guys can feel my pain. But now we're on our way to a cafe. I think it's a cafe. They have like macaroons and stuff, and we're gonna meet up with Taemin and Katie. I almost said Kaemin again. I don't know why it just comes out Kaemin.
Just call Kaemin.
Yeah, that's
Like
their like
Brangelina.
that's yeah. People have couple names, so we just call them Kaemin. And I did change my outfit because I told you that outfit was uncomfortable and I was gonna change it. I really did. And this morning I was like, I'm probably gonna change my outfit. Okay, what do you say?
Let's go. Booyah.
Also, I went to Lush and got this blue glittery rocket ship, and we're gonna give it to Katie and Taemin because they're having a boy and this is blue, so they need it. Okay, let's go. Can you help me?
What?
I can't do anything now. It's a little bit painful.
Let's meet at South End.
Are those green beans? Aren't these green beans?
I feel like they are. I like that
Oh,
bamboo
that's
stuff.
squash.
Wow.
What the heck? This is a garden? Is this lavender? Oh my gosh. I don't think so. Is it?
Sure. Is it?
No. Ew. Ew, don't smell it. Do they have Slurpees?
Look at that. Oh my god.
Look at that.
And in 7-Eleven.
Are you a proud Korean?
I'm just really surprised.
Like this.
Oh, that's the French Quarters.
You're out.
Wow,
That's really pretty.
I've seen that place on Pinterest for years now.
Wow. That's really...
Oh, you want me to get a nice coffee or something? His Asian squad. Yeah, play a song. Twinkle, twinkle.
Wow, it's locked.
Wow, it's like, it's loud. Are you guys doing like the Korean ritual?
Why they lock it?